Hey everyone, looking to get a Temu coupon? In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to grab one in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First, open the Temu app on your phone or go to temu.com on your PC. If you don't already have an account, sign up. If you do, just log into your Temu account. Once you're logged in, Temu often offers coupons for new users or special promotions. Look for promo banners on the homepage or within product pages. You can also find available coupons in the coupon section, which you can find under Accounts or Detail menu. Once you've added items to your cart, go to Checkout. If you have a coupon, simply paste it or select it in the coupon code box to get a discount. Another way to get coupons is by signing up for Temu's newsletter or SMS alert. You'll receive exclusive offers directly to your inbox. And that's it, you successfully grabbed a Temu coupon and saved some cash on the next purchase. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tips. Happy shopping with Temu.